Samsung just blew the doors wide open. The full One UI 8 rollout roadmap is finally here, and it's even bigger than anyone expected. This isn't just a small update for a handful of devices. This is Samsung flipping the switch on nearly its entire ecosystem over just a few short weeks. Android 16 plus One UI 8 together means a fresh new look, deeper Galaxy AI features, and an insane number of bug fixes and optimizations that make your phone feel brand new again. And the crazy part, the rollout has already started, and it's moving way faster than usual. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Make sure to like this video, share it with your fellow Galaxy fans, and subscribe so you don't miss a single update while we track this rollout together. Let's start with what just happened. The Galaxy S25 series, S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the surprisingly popular S25 Edge all started receiving the One UI 8 update on September 15 in South Korea. And here's where it gets exciting. Samsung isn't holding this back for months like it used to. The global rollout is already ramping up, with many regions expected to see it by September 18. So if you own an S25 device, you might wake up tomorrow to that sweet software update available notification. But this is just the beginning. October is going to be absolutely packed. Samsung's schedule shows that almost every major flagship and foldable will get One UI 8 next month. That includes the entire S24 series, the S24 Fan Edition, this 23 series and its FE variant, Quantum 6 and Quantum 5, the brand new Galaxy Tab S10 Plus Ultra, Lite, and all the Fan Edition models, Galaxy A36, the futuristic Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and even the mysterious Z Fold Special Edition that Samsung teased earlier this year. It's like Samsung just hit update all devices and let it run. And this rollout doesn't just stop with flagships. Mid-range and even some entry-level phones are on the list, which is something Samsung users have been asking for years. The A35, A34, A25, and even the budget-friendly Buddy 4 and White 8 are confirmed for October. That means Samsung is seriously committing to supporting more of its lineup, not just the expensive models. Then comes November, and this is where things get really interesting. This wave includes the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, the entire Tab S8 series, the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and more A-series phones like the A15, A16, AT4, A33, and even the Jump and Wide series. Even the rugged Tab Active 5 Pro and the affordable Tab A9, A9 Plus, and A11 are scheduled. Samsung's basically updating everything that can run Android 16. But, and this is where I think a lot of you are going to pause the video and scroll down to the comments. Some devices are missing. Most notably, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. This is strange because the S21 FE is still a very popular phone and should technically be eligible for the update. My guess, Samsung hasn't finalized the testing for this model yet and will add it in the global rollout plan they're expected to publish in the next few days. If you have an S21 FE, don't panic yet. The update is almost certainly coming, we just don't have the exact date. Now here's the part that really got me hyped. Samsung dropped an official teaser trailer for One UI 8, and it looks stunning. The animation transitions are smoother, widgets feel more dynamic, and Galaxy AI looks smarter than ever. Which brings me to one of the most exciting features that just landed in Beta 2, Galaxy AI. Now brief. This is basically your phone turning into a personal assistant that actually anticipates what you need. It surfaces your calendar events, your Spotify and YouTube playlists, trending videos you might want to watch, health reminders from Samsung Health, and even weather alerts, all at the perfect moment. And the rollout isn't just about adding shiny features. It's about fixing long-standing annoyances too. The Beta 2 update for the Galaxy S24 series was nearly 930 MB and packed with bug fixes. Samsung finally patched that annoying fingerprint unlock glitch on the lock screen, fixed the issue where notifications would just show icons with no text, squashed random screen freezes, stopped the clock widget from showing the wrong time, and resolved font reversion bugs that kept messing up custom setups. It even includes the September security patch, which is a big deal for those who care about privacy and device protection. If you're in the beta program, you can install it right now by heading to Settings, go Software, Update, Download, and Install. And based on how polished this build feels, it's clear that Samsung is very close to pushing the stable update, maybe even earlier than anyone expects. In fact, several tipsters spotted new firmware builds on Samsung's servers this week, which usually means we're in the final stages before public release. Now imagine this, by the time November ends, nearly every recent Galaxy device you can think of will be running One UI 8. That's over 50 devices getting updated in just 2 months. This could go down as Samsung's fastest and most ambitious software rollout ever. And that's huge because it shows Samsung is serious about staying ahead of competitors, not just in hardware, but in software experience too. The next few weeks are going to be very exciting for Galaxy users. More betas, more updates, more surprises. And we'll be tracking every single step of the rollout right here. If you own a Galaxy device, keep checking your settings every few days. And if you're not sure whether your device is on the list, drop its name in the comments. I'll keep you posted as soon as Samsung updates the roadmap with more models. One thing's for sure, when One UI 8 lands on your phone, you're going to feel the difference.